Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn off snooze alarm on OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen to proceed on alarm clock. And okay guys, here below you can see the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off snooze alarm. And okay guys, all you have to do is go to alarm. And okay guys, here in alarm, okay, I have one set of alarm here. And okay guys, to turn off the snooze of this alarm, okay, you'll have to do is click the alarm time. And now here in alarm time, okay, you can see the snooze. And okay guys, okay, on the right side of this snooze, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn off this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned off the snooze alarm on your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, after you turn off the snooze, okay, don't forget to click the save button on the upper right side on your screen to save the alarm clock. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned off the snooze alarm on your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.